Assalamu alaikum viewers. In the previous lesson, I introduced the simple present tense and also discussed the structure subject, verb and object. I am repeating now. What is the subject? Subject is a person or a thing that is being discussed or described. Verb is an action that takes place. Object is the one who receives the action. We all know that two types of the subjects that are used in our daily routine sentences: singular and plural. Singular is related to a separate person or a thing. Plural shows the more than one. Singular uses the first form of verb and we need to add ses with the first form of verb. Plural uses the first form of verb and we do not need to add ses with the first form of verb. To understand this structure, we have to know about the grammatical person. What is the grammatical person? The grammatical person is I, we, you, he, she, it and they. If the subject is I and you use the plural verb. The first person I, we, the second person you, and the third person he, she, it and they. Now we discuss the examples of the simple present tense. The first example is that he eats meal. We add s with the first form of verb because he is the singular subject in this sentence. The second example is that they play daily. We use the plural verb because they is the plural subject in this sentence. The third example is that I run fast. We use here plural verb because I already told you in case of I and you we always use the plural verb. Now we change these simple sentences into the negative. First I define what is the negative. Negative is a word that shows you reject or disagree with something. We use negatives all the time in regular conversation, so all these words should be familiar to you. The structure of the negative is that subject, does, do not, first form of verb and object. Now we change this simple sentence into the negative. He eats meal, he does not eat meal. We do not add s with the first form of verb because we are using helping verb does not. The second example is that they do not play daily. And the third is I do not run fast. We use the plural verb because they is the plural subject used in this sentence. Now we come to the interrogative. What is interrogative? Interrogative is used in a question or a word that is used to ask a question. The structure of the interrogative: do, does, subject, first form of verb and object. The examples of the interrogative: does he eat meal? Do they play? We use the helping word do and does at the start of the sentence. Viewers, our today's topic simple present tense has completed now and I hope you understood it very well.